Do these 3 exercises if you have pain between your shoulder blades. First exercise is called a thoracic car. Basically, you're using your rib cage and going into a 360-degree manner. So you're going to push your rib cage out to the right, round your back, left, and then up. Do this about 3 to 5 repetitions in both directions. This exercise is called thread the needle thoracic rotation. It gets your shoulder moving into protraction, but it also gets a nice stretch into your lat as well as your rhomboids. Can be a contributor to pain between the shoulder blades. Do this one for about 10 to 12 repetitions. This exercise is called an overhead shrug. You're going to get your scapula to actually separate the muscles between your shoulder blade, and you're going to simply raise and shrug up towards the ceiling. If you want to, you can simply change the variation. Also, the most important is that you reach away. That way your scapula wraps around your body, and do this one for about 8 to 12 repetitions. And follow me for more tips.